The ticket said it was a guy.
Okay, so you're checking the bookmark.
Yes.
Good.
Against.
Try the other sound of the AI on the bookmark. There's two sounds of the AI.
Elephant bill.
Good. Try that one.
Against.
Beginning in level 3, the forest floor, readers can start transitioning from using stickers to label books and begin using the Rainforest Reading Bookmark. For stickers, learners depend on adults to label books for them, but the Rainforest Reading Bookmark is a tool readers can use independently. Let me show you how it works. The red and purple side of the bookmark is for vowels and vowels that are controlled by consonants. The blue side of the bookmark is for consonants and word endings. In the digital version of the bookmark, they are separated for your convenience. Let's start with the first word, Peter. Now, students at the sound level will be able to decode some of these letters, like the P of Peter and the T in the middle of the word Peter. Let's look at the second letter, the E, and let's look carefully at the bookmark. You can see that with the bookmark, the E is pronounced like elephant beetle most often. But when they try reading the word with the it won't work. It won't sound right, and it probably won't be familiar to them. Pet. Okay, so they might try the second one, E, Pete. And then they would have to look at the ER, which is right over here. The first choice is like earth. So they could try sounding it out like this. P-E-T-er, Peter. And they will get it right. This bookmark will help new readers to decode approximately 94% of words or more. So it won't work for every single word, but it will work for most of the words, the great majority of the words. The second, third, and fourth words are pretty decodable. Let's look at the next word, the fifth word. The first two letters they can decode using the skills they have learned at the sound level. Let's look at the third letter, the S. Normally the S is pronounced S, like sun. But let's zoom in a little bit and find the S. We can see here that it's pronounced Z, like zipper some of the time. H is his, and that is correct. A, P, et. Up until the I, it's decodable. And if you look ahead a little bit, you can see that there's an I, consonant E. So we should use the vowel side to figure it out. When there is an I, consonant E, it usually makes the I sound, as you can see right over here. I. So they can go back and sound it out again. Appetite. 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 It's good to teach students to go back and reread the parts that they read slowly to gain fluency. But at the beginning, when they're just learning to decode, they will need to read slowly and carefully. And that's okay. Let's look at the next word. That's decodable. Okay, here's the OW. How can we pronounce the OW? Well, here we can find the OW and we can see it's pronounced ow like owl or O like ocean. Ow, now. That one makes sense, so I don't need to try the second one. Now. Okay, here we have a WH. Those are consonants, so we should switch to the other bookmark. And we need to look for the WH. As you can see here, the WH is usually pronounced W, like waterfall, and sometimes pronounced H, like hummingbird. You should always start with the first one. If that doesn't work, you go to the next one. W, N, when. Yes, it works, so we don't need to go to the next one. Probably the reader will remember this word from earlier in the paragraph, and this one as well. Okay, this word is a little bit tricky, but it is decodable with the bookmark. L, ah. This is probably how a new reader would read this word. La says. But it doesn't quite make sense, so let's try a different sound for that O. When an O is like that by itself, or it has an E at the end, there are some different choices. Either way, it is decodable with this bookmark. For example, let's say the reader only sees the O by itself. There are 4 different choices. The otter sound, ah, umbrella sound, The third one is oo, and that is the right one. L, oo, s, s, loses. And the S can be pronounced either s or z. Little by little, readers will start to internalize these rules that they see on the bookmarks. But they can check the bookmark as often as they need to. Here you can see the S can be pronounced S like sun or Z like zipper. So all of the words so far were decodable with the bookmark. The Rainforest Reading Bookmark can be used with any children's book. And you will see, 94% or more of the words will be decodable with the bookmark, usually more than 94%. I hope you enjoy using this tool, and I hope it is useful for you. Have a wonderful day.